Galario sa Baulan. And the rest of our Sangguniang Bayan members, department heads sa LGU.
Ayan! Sige. This commercial is brought to you by Honorable Vice Mayor Crisantera Simolan. Kay Simolan, panalo ka. Thank you so much, Blue Team!